Let's say you want all the candidate resumes that come to you through your career section on your website to come directly into Tobu. We have a very simple solution for that, and that's called the career page integration. You can set up your career page very easily. So you click on career page and it would show you something like this, where all you need to do is set your company logo, you set your company banner, you set an about the company section, and you set your career page URL that you want the candidates to be redirected to from your career page section. And that's it, you're done. Now you can actually share all the jobs that you have created on Tobu to your career page, and they will look something like this. And now these are all shareable on social media, and now candidates can apply to these positions in a single click, and the resumes will all be available in your Tobu database as well as against the job. And it's as simple as that.